Hudson and I, we are exploring some new, well, not new, but we're going down that Madison Arms Road again. We're going to check out some more pull-offs, and I guess we are exploring a little bit of new stuff, but we're going down the same road we have been, just checking out more pull-offs, seeing what this area all has to offer. He's being a good boy. So this is one of the first pull-offs. It's a pretty cool view. I just left Hudson in the car because I'm only going to be however long this video is. He's a good boy, but it is gorgeous here. There's so many cool, unique things to do, places to be. Alright, we'll go check out the next one. You ready to go check out the next one, bud? So Jess just got out of work early for the morning, so we're gonna go pick her up and bring her along with us. We have picked up his mother, and he is very impressed. Very impressed. All right, there's Hudson, still riding with his mom. Can't really see his mom, but she's there.
Just giving him love.
Alright, we're gonna go back to the one I was just at before Jess called that I've already shown you, but I can show you actually driving in it, which is real short.
Oh.
Yeah, this one's cooler.
The river that leads into the lake. That's the whole thing?
Yep, this is the whole pull-off. To be honest, we don't have the best turning radius, so we gotta make an extra turn. All right, that's our cool view.
Hudson, up here.
There are two moose right in front of us down here.
Hudson, here, over and drive.
There's two down there. That's cool. This is a cool area. We're just chilling. Awesome. So the two moose over there, but there's a third one in here that Jess and I also found. They're pretty much just doing their own thing. This was a great stop, and it's nice. We're up, like, this is a pretty steep slope, like, so we're able to actually stand out and look at them fairly close. If this wasn't here, we would not be outside this close. Yellowstone, full of wonder. Actually, we're not actually in Yellowstone, but we're in West Yellowstone, the
That's pretty awesome.
town. What'd you think, Hutz?
He likes him. He's doing good though. He's just watching.
Yeah. Good job not barking. You're a good boy.
Good job.
Good stop.
Right.
We just saw a bald eagle, but we weren't quick. I wasn't quick enough to get the camera out in time. But this is the view from pull off number 4.
Here, go back there. Go back there. Go back there.
Pretty awesome here.
There you go.
Film him.
He's checking out the back window back there. It's honestly kind of hard to see, but
I don't know how well you can see him, but he's sticking his head out. Hi, buddy. Yeah. All right.